The future of work, human and AI collaboration. Introduction. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping industries, revolutionizing workflows, and redefining the nature of work itself. AI is no longer a tool that simply automates tasks, it is becoming a collaborative partner, enhancing productivity, efficiency, and innovation across various fields. Rather than replacing human workers, AI is complementing human capabilities by taking over repetitive, data-intensive tasks, allowing professionals to focus on creativity, strategic decision-making, and complex problem-solving. But how will this collaboration shape the future workforce, and how can businesses and workers prepare for this evolving landscape? How AI is transforming the workplace. AI is already making a profound impact across industries by automating routine tasks, improving decision-making, and fostering new levels of creativity and efficiency. Automating repetitive and administrative tasks. 1. AI-powered robotic process automation, RPA, handles data entry, scheduling, and document processing, freeing up employees for higher value work. 2. AI chatbots provide real-time assistance in customer support, HR inquiries, and IT troubleshooting. 3. Supply chain and financial transactions are optimized through AI-driven automation, reducing errors and inefficiencies. Enhancing human decision-making. 1. AI analyzes vast datasets in real time, providing businesses with actionable insights into market trends, consumer behavior, and risk assessments. 2. Predictive analytics help industries forecast disruptions, improving response times and overall business resilience. 3. AI-powered recommendations assist experts in medicine, engineering, and finance, enhancing precision and efficiency. Fostering creativity and innovation. 1. AI-driven design tools aid artists, writers, and marketers in generating new ideas and visuals. 2. AI assists researchers in scientific breakthroughs, accelerating drug discovery, material innovation, and engineering solutions. 3. Automation allows employees to focus on strategic thinking, creative problem-solving, and leadership roles. Industries benefiting from human-AI collaboration. AI is revolutionizing nearly every sector, but some industries are experiencing particularly significant transformations. Healthcare and medicine. 1. AI-powered diagnostics assist doctors in early disease detection and personalized treatment plans. 2. Robotic-assisted surgeries enhance precision and minimize surgical risks. 3. AI accelerates drug discovery and medical research, leading to faster development of treatments. Finance and banking. 1. AI-powered fraud detection systems analyze transactions in real time, improving security. 2. Automated financial advisors provide personalized investment strategies. 3. AI-driven market predictions enhance trading efficiency and risk management. Manufacturing and logistics. 1. AI-driven robots and cobots work alongside humans on assembly lines and warehouse operations. 2. Predictive maintenance reduces downtime by forecasting equipment failures before they occur. 3. AI-powered supply chain management optimizes inventory distribution and logistics. Education and workforce training. 1. AI-powered learning platforms provide personalized, adaptive education tailored to individual learning styles. 2. Virtual AI tutors and simulations create interactive, immersive training experiences. 3. AI-driven analytics help institutions refine curriculums and training programs for better outcomes. Creative industries and content generation. 1. AI-generated art, music, and writing tools assist content creators, enhancing production speed and creativity. 2. AI-powered editing tools streamline video production, graphic design, and animation workflows. 3. AI-driven marketing algorithms create personalized advertisements and engagement strategies. Challenges of AI integration in the workforce. Despite its benefits, AI presents challenges that must be addressed to ensure a fair and balanced transition into an AI-enhanced workplace. Job displacement and workforce adaptation. 1. Some traditional roles will be automated, requiring workers to reskill and adapt. 2. Businesses must invest in AI training programs to help employees transition into AI-enhanced roles. AI bias and ethical concerns. 1. AI models can inherit biases from training data, leading to potential discrimination in hiring, lending, or decision-making. 2. Companies must implement transparent AI governance to ensure fairness and accountability. Data privacy and security risks. 1. AI-driven automation relies on extensive data collection, raising concerns over privacy and cybersecurity. 2. Organizations must adopt strict data protection policies to ensure compliance with global regulations. The future of work, a human-AI partnership. Future workplace will be built on a synergy between humans and AI, where technology enhances human potential rather than replacing it. Companies that embrace AI as a collaborative tool will unlock greater efficiency, creativity, and economic growth. Africa, hybrid work environments. AI-powered virtual assistants will facilitate remote work, collaboration, and automation. Rocket, AI-augmented decision-making. Businesses will rely on AI-driven insights to make faster, data-backed strategic choices. Books, continuous learning and upskilling. As AI reshapes the workforce, lifelong learning and adaptability will be essential. Human-centered AI. The future of AI will focus on enhancing human capabilities, ensuring that technology complements rather than replaces human workers. Conclusion: the future of work will not be defined by humans versus AI, but by humans working alongside AI to maximize efficiency, creativity, and innovation. Organizations and professionals who embrace this shift, by reskilling, adapting, and leveraging AI as a strategic partner, will thrive in the next era of work. By harnessing AI's potential, businesses and workers alike can create a more productive, innovative, and human-centric future.